What's up, StormXers? Bill's here with another Crypto Cashback hack. For this one, we're going to be looking at Bonanza.com. Now this one's up to 6% crypto cashback on all purchases. I personally love this store. Right now it's available in Canada, Ireland, the UK, and the US. And this one is especially good for all you eBay lovers out there. This place has it all. And their quote is, find everything but the ordinary. I mean, you can buy car parts on here. You can buy AirPods and other electronics. You can buy comic books. I mean, look, 66,000 different listings on here. Men's fashion, women's fashion. You can buy furniture. Bonanza has just about everything you can imagine at twice the amount of cash back as its competition out there. And not only that, they cross-post eBay posts onto Bonanza sometimes. So keep a lookout. Keep shopping, keep hacking, and we'll see you on the next one.
If you really like this content and found it valuable, make sure to click the link in the description for StormX's official Discord channel. These videos are made by our community for our community, so you being a part of that community is extremely valuable. Our Discord is a place you can add your voice and contribute your hacks so that we can build the utility of StormX together. I hope to see you real soon.